Hey, MathKook here. This video contains one of many examples in my Algebra 2 library. The rest of those examples, along with hundreds of other videos, are only available at MathKook.com. Let's MathKook it up. This question says, simplify the square root of 360. So here are some tips for simplifying radicals. The main thing that we want to see is the root. So in this case, we have a square root. So what number is in the root? So in other words, what number is right here? If there's no number written there, remember, we've said that there is a 2 there. So there's a 2 in the square root. So that 2 acts as the gatekeeper, meaning that you need 2 of a factor for that factor to come out of the root, or to come out of jail, I like to say. So let's go ahead and make a factor tree for 360. So 360, I know, let's see here, 10 times 36. And you can start with any 2 factors. It doesn't matter because you'll end up with the prime factors of a number once you go to completion. 10 is 2 times 5. Those are both prime. 6 times 6, 2 times 3, and then 2 times 3. So here are our prime factors circled here. So we have, notice we have 3 2s, 2 3s, and a 5. So I'm going to go ahead and write all these here underneath the radical. So we have 3 2s, 2 3s, and a 5. So remember, because it's a square root, so there's a 2 in here, I'll go ahead and write it. Because there's a 2 in here, that means that we need 2 of a factor for one of them to come out. So notice we have 2 2s here, so I'll go ahead and put a dash through those so that 2 comes out. We have 2 3s, so a 3 comes out. And that's it. This 2 and this 5 will stay underneath the radical. So here, since we have a 2 and a 3 that come out, I'll write those in front. So those are just going to end up multiplying. We have the square root, and then we have the 2 left over. This 2 is that 2. And then with this 5, we're going to put here because that's still underneath the square root. Unfortunately for this 2 and this 5, they couldn't find a buddy to link up with to get out of jail. So they stay in jail. Alright, so these 2 and 3, we just multiply. And we get 6, and then we have 2 times 5, which is 10. And that is a simplified answer. So the square root of 360 equals 6 square root of 10. Hey Kook, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. For unlimited access to all of my Algebra 2 videos, visit MathKook.com. Thanks for watching.